Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I'm the download driver Canon PIXMA. Home, uh, you look in the serial, and this here you type the driver download. That's why I insert the official website for you. Okay, this is the official website. Canon. Click here, and please wait. Website loading. Okay, this here the website, and click here the spot. Okay, please wait and search this driver. No, back this here the driver. Okay, this here the driver printer, and uh, this here the three operating system. Okay, this operating system for Linux, and you looking the operating system version. Click here. This here the operating system for Linux, and you looking the here the update release, and this here the Mac uh, OS, Mac operating system. You look in the version Mac operating system, click here, this here operating system for Mac, and this here a new operating system for Windows 11 and Mac for Mac 12 and Mac 11. This here driver for Mac OS. Okay, and uh, this here for the Windows. I am the download driver for Windows 11. You look in the version, click here, select here this here the match for operating system for Windows, and this here the operating system for Windows 11, Windows 8, Windows 9.1, Windows 9, Windows 7, Windows Server, Windows Vista, not support the Windows XP. This video you need to download driver Windows 11 and select the system operation for Windows, and please wait website loading. Okay, this here the much system operation, much the driver. This here the driver print only, and not support for this here driver print on scanner, not the package or wireless driver. This here the print and multifunction print security patch, and this here the update software. This here the software poster ads update and poster it ads leads, and this here the Wi-Fi connect assistant. Okay, this here the for printer the Wi-Fi connect. This here support for the IP printer. Okay, and you looking the that release. Click here. This here the release update. And this video I am the download driver Windows 11 package. I am recommendation for you this download the package driver, this zero complete driver package include for the printer, for the scanner, for the Wi-Fi, for the uh, much uh, much support for Windows. Okay, click here and please watch the website loading again. Okay, this here the outline the title, and this here the title system requirement for the Windows 11, Windows 8, Windows 7. And this is the tutorial setup instruction, and double click the downloaded file, and it will be compresses. The setup screen will be displayed. Follow the instruction to install the software and perform the necessary setting. Okay. This is the information, file information for the field site. uh, if you need to download driver, click I have read, degree agree to the terms of the disclaimer. Okay, click here and button download show. If you not click here, button download not show. Click here, button download show. Click button download. Is what driver download. If you need install driver for your printer, you turn on the power printer. You put cable USB printer for the laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer, and your please write the finish driver download. You click run as the driver detect automatic for the cable printer. If you need install driver for the Wi-Fi or wireless, you connect the printer for the wireless. You're looking the IP printer, and you run as the driver detect the IP printer. Okay, click next and finish. If you need a question, comment below. If you need link download, below description. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my video. Support my channel. Bye bye.